If you've forgotten your Gmail password, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your Gmail account step by step so you can get back into your email as quickly and safely as possible. This is a simple process, and if you follow along carefully, you should be able to reset your password and regain access in just a few minutes. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to begin when you've forgotten your password. Once the page loads, you'll see a field where you can enter your Gmail address. Type in the email address you're trying to recover, then click Next. After that, Google will ask you to verify that you're the owner of the account. On the next screen, click Forgot Password. This tells Google that you don't remember your current password and need to start the recovery process. Depending on your account history, Google may ask you to enter the last password you remember. If you can remember even an old password, go ahead and type it in. If not, don't panic. Just continue with the recovery options shown on the screen. Now, Google will offer one or more recovery methods. These may include your recovery phone number, your recovery email address, or a Google prompt sent to a device where you're already signed in. Choose the method that's easiest for you and that you still have access to. If you select your recovery phone number, Google will send a verification code by text or call. If you choose recovery email, Google will send the code to that email address instead. If you get a Google prompt, simply approve it on your phone or device. Once you receive the verification code, enter it carefully on the recovery page. Make sure you type it exactly as shown, because even one incorrect digit can stop the process. After the code is accepted, Google will take you to the password reset screen. Here, create a new password that is strong and secure. Try to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays protected. After you've created the new password, save it and sign in with your new password right away. This confirms that your recovery was successful and that you can access your Gmail account again. If you're signed in on other devices, you may be asked to log in again there too, so make sure you remember the new password and store it somewhere safe. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Gmail account after forgetting your password. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.